The Supreme Court of the United States dealt a severe blow to the legal defense plan of the former President Donald Trump when it denied his request for complete immunity from a criminal subpoena issued by the prosecutor in New York for his financial data and tax returns. The court's decision, which came down to a close 54 vote, was a major setback for Trump and established a precedent regarding the ability of prosecutors to look into both current and former presidents, as Newsweek reported on Monday, February 26, 2024. The Supreme Court's deep ideological split is highlighted by the dissent on the immunity claim, which has significant ramifications for the rule of law, presidential accountability, and the boundaries of executive power. The ruling is a triumph for the idea that everyone is subject to the law, even the president. The primary focus of the case is Manhattan District Attorney Cyrus Vance Jaw's investigation into possible financial irregularities and purported hush money payment used to quiet women who have claimed to have had romances with Trump with great fervor. Trump has refuted any misconduct, labeling the probe as a politically driven witch hunt. Nonetheless, Vance's office has insisted that it is only doing its responsibility to apply the law equal to everyone, irrespective of their status or political affiliation. The main thrust of Trump's defense was his assertion of absolute immunity, which said that he was immune from any criminal investigation or punishment at state level while serving as president. His legal team contended that making a former president the target of such investigations would divert attention from the president's duties and pave the way for politically motivated harassment of previous office holders. The majority of Supreme Court judges, however, had a different opinion. Chief Justice John Roberts said in his majority opinion that no citizen, not even the president, is categorically above the common duty to produce evidence when called upon. In a criminal proceeding, the court stressed that although the presidency is entitled to reverence and respect, it is not impervious to all forms of judicial scrutiny. The conservative majority on the court harshly criticized the ruling, with Justice Clarence Thomas and Justices Samuel O. and Neil Gorsuch joining him in a caustic ENT. Thomas contended that by opening the door to possible harassment of past presidents through politically motivated investigations, the court's decision creates a risky precedent. The dissenting justices caution that the ruling would have far-reaching effects on presidential authority, possibly making it more difficult for future presidents to perform their duties without constantly worrying about getting caught up in legal issues after leaving office. They contended that permitting state prosecutors to get for former presidents' private correspondence could be detrimental to the office's honor and impair the executive branch's efficiency. Trump's detractors, meanwhile, celebrated the decision as a win for legality and accountability. It underlines the fundamental idea that no one in the United States is exempt from legal scrutiny, regardless of their status or position. According to legal experts, the court's ruling constitutes a serious legal setback for Trump and may put him in even more legal danger. Although the decision only directly affects Vance's probe in New York, it establishes a precedent that might inspire other federal prosecutors to look into Trump's financial and economic connections in a similar manner. The Supreme Court's decision to reject Trump's claim of immunity makes it abundantly evident that the rule of law is supreme, especially when it comes to influential politicians. The ruling serves as a sharp reminder that everyone in the United States, regardless of status, must eventually answer to the law as the legal battle plays out, and that the pursuit of justice has